Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Kuz. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail password in case you have lost your Gmail password. You don't have now the recovery email and recovery phone numbers. Then what's the alternative approach to recover it? Simultaneously, in a case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID. Yes, you have lost your device. And due to that, you are unable to, especially you are not in a position to reset your Gmail password because of you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number. Then let's come with this alternative approach. Here, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. So now, especially he has recommended because it's a data privacy concern. So now, let's approach by alternative way. This is account recovery options. Just we will right here send the special email, and then of course we will go for here, simply tap on this special email next. Now take any smartphones and you will have to go with this strategy. Now we will go for try another way, guys. Here we go for try another way, so then we don't have also phone numbers. So now that we can see here, it's very crystal and clear that as it do not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that in this account is mine. But this can be especially the secured when we provide answer is questions or if the account is managed with the family link. So we have two options, that both options we can approach. Otherwise we can't approach, guys. Why we cannot? Because it's demanding that yes, if we try the multiple times, so then Google will contact you, and there yes, you will have to provide alternative email with sufficient information, that is identity documents, on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this ID belongs to you. And if it has, then of course you'll have the strong opportunity to reset your Gmail password. But if you don't, then of course you cannot get. A total estimated time that can be expected more than 48 hours, so that we cannot wait such a long time, especially here. So what's the alternative approach? How can I quickly rescue option this? We will see live here also, don't worry. Just we will have to type on a special Amazon Play Store, and there we will have to install that is a special browser, and thereupon of course we will cut it from us. It has started to download. On the other hand, what we have to do, just to click on this G browser, and of course we will tap on this next, and here tapping on the notification we will have to make it block. Don't allow these notifications, and then we will come the permission. In the permission also here just to tap on our locations where it is. Yeah, this one's in the locations. We will have to make the precise location of first, then click on I don't allow anyway. So tap on it. Now these things that we have done. So one more time it is possible, then two times. So we have to tap on backs, and then we will come on a set as a default. Fine. So we will tap on it, and if link is disabled, then click 4-5 times here, and then make it disabled. So once again, now what we will do, just we will cut it from here. Unfortunately we have the two browser here, so this browser on this also we will have to do. So if how many browser here in your smartphones, especially that we will have to take any new smartphones. This procedure can be applied on any new smartphones or old ones. Take and check it out how many the browser especially is currently working on your device and the phone. Of course in the permission location, just we will come on this and simply we will have to make it off, and we will go for don't allow anyway. So now we have of course done. Now we will have to back one more time here, and after coming here we will come in the default browser. There we will have to pick some this, and thereupon of course we will cut it from. So this works. I have to finish the from here. So now we will have to tap on especially this browser, and let's say we will have to especially some changes here also. Just we will go for go and go to continue to, of course we will go for this ones, we will go for this ones continue, and if we go for continue, let's say start the browsing, and thereupon if we go for here, now just to tap on it. So here of course we will apply in the top, and in top there just we will do go for okay, and here we will have to write googleco.in. so if we go for googleco.in, then right here we'll have to go for googleco.in and pick this ones, and of course we will. Now we are on here. So once again we will go in a special sign in there. We will come in there here. Now it's related especially Gmail. So here once again we will go for right here Google Help, guys. Let's see Google Help directly right here. Otherwise you can pick these options, no problem at all. Now we are in a Google Helps, just we will tap on it and check it out, so that which related is this problem. So the problem is related to a Gmail recovery, so just we will pick this Gmail. So now here what we will do, just we will go for here just to see one thing, how to recover these Gmails, and just we will have to pick by a normal method we will go for, and then we will try to. Now these steps to recover these steps, just we will go for here. Now here what we will do, guys, just we will check it out here, the account recovery page is also here. Just we will go for here, tap on this account recovery page. So yes, let's see, it's see things not allowed on this website. Fine, so no problem at all. Now this page has been opened here, guys. Now here just we will have to write in this ID particulars. Let's pick from here so that we don't have two types. Now fine, so that we are on here. Now see, it's asking for the password. Fine, so we will go for approach another way, and if we go for approach another way, and then see here it's asking for the phone number, especially phone, especially we don't have a phones. So now we will go with trailer. Now it's asking also last number password. Now it's asking, so the phone number is also, now it's showing the last two digits. Now here is more tips to recover this account. So I assure you these accounts can be recovered very easy way by these options. But possibility can be especially then here also to the recovers by answer as many questions as we can. So use a device where the sign in the before, and the third is your account is managed with the family links in there. Also by sending yes OTP, Google will give you especially, but by 3 option quit we will accept this offer. That is especially more tips to recover this account. So directly from here this can be the possible? No. Try again here the possible? No, because I'm trying to recover by a different browser. We will have to take assistance of Google anyhow. So how it is, just we will come in especially tapping on a setting to, of course we will have to come in a Google service. So where it is, Google service, here it is, guys. Now here what we will do, guys, just we will click on a 3 dot. In 3 dot here just we will have to pick some these ones, and the phone here is options, can't sign in your accounts. Here is options, that these options, or here is also how to recover your Gmail accounts, but we will don't pick this one. By that I had already tried, so just we will go for can't sign. So we are having this kind of the problem here. So now we'll go for pick the someone else is using, so this account I'm having the problem here. Now we will have to go for especially securing this account. Now if we go for securing this accounts, then we have also here review yes your accounts. So here just to see the navigation, this kind of the thing, just saying so that the procedure that I have already done is special on this particular this device, but on any smartphones before the execution this thing should we will have to go for. Now here is a find out if your account has been hacked, hijacked, stolen by someone's password, of course, and not installing. Here is a case of that you have lost your device. So just we will approach by these options. So if we go for approaching by these options, and then of course here is a account recovery page, tap on it. Yes, here just to tap on it, and now we are on here directly. Now what we will do, guys, here just we will have to simply write this particular ID. Fines, here it is. Now we will go for here, just to simply we will have to go for next and see here what is going to happen. Now directly we are on here. What do you say here, guys? Obviously this ID has been recovered. Now what we will do here, don't click on a continue, just we will approach this, change the password. Why? Because if we go for continue, then yes, would be trapping its verify options. So in that condition it's better to quit simply, because we don't have added still the recovery email and recovery phone number. So recovery number and especially email would be especially their OTP issue. That's why don't do it, otherwise hackers will know it easily. So just we will go for here. Now that we have the strong opportunity to creates new, confirms new password and the phone, go for change it. After changing, of course we will have to go tap on it, and the boss, of course, the manage your accounts especially by going there, tapping security center, add the recovery email and recovery phone number and the phone. After adding this incident cannot be happens again. on a live screen we cannot create it because we will have to make it off, and then otherwise this would be in a public domain. So of course, and also I will have to deliver to this viewer. This is a privacy concern. So this is all about, guys. Thank you.